I'm Dr. Narana Lajba,
And I'm Dr. Rebecca Bernard.
and we are thrilled to introduce our new book, Patients at Risk, The Rise of the Nurse Practitioner and the Physician Assistant in Healthcare. We have spent over 3 years meticulously researching the use of non-physicians in the healthcare system.
The replacement of physicians has everything to do with money, politics, and control, and nothing to do with better healthcare. This is a story of political maneuvering and corporate greed that has led to the death of innocent patients, and it has dangerous repercussions for all Americans.
With the rate of nurse practitioner and physician assistant graduates exceeding that of physician graduates, if you are not already being treated by a non-physician, chances are you soon will be.
While advocates for these professions insist that research shows that they can provide the same care as physicians, there are no credible scientific studies to support the safety and efficacy of non-physicians practicing without physician supervision.
To make the best choice for your healthcare, you need all the facts. This book will serve as a roadmap to protect you from harm caused by an increasingly corporate healthcare system.